Hi everyone, Melissa here coming on today with a Black Friday haul and some other stuff. Anyways, starting out with Hobby Lobby, they had a sale a couple weeks ago, and this was the from the jewelry shop, and this was half off. So has a lot of little ice creams and things in there. Maybe you can see that a little bit better now. So I bought 2 packs of those. Tuesday morning, I was able to find some enamel dots, and I thought those were really pretty and picked those up. And then I also got this Simple Stories, the Simple Vintage Lemon Twist. I didn't find too much of that, but I got the ones that I like. So I got this as well as this here, and this is foam stickers, I think. Yeah, foam stickers. These are really cute. All right, and then I went over to the Amazon store today, which is our $2 day, and they had a box of these, which are 5x7 resealable envelopes, and I got 1,000 of these in the box, so I'm really excited about that. 5x7 I don't use often, but I'm sure I can find something to use it for. All right, and then let's jump into this here. So over at Spellbinders for Black Friday, they had half off quite a few things, and I had been wanting these little birds, so I got them for $3.50, and I was very happy about that. So I got that one and this one. This one is Little Chickadee, and this one is Sweet Birdie. So I like those. And then Cottage Cuts had their sale, which Gloria and I wait every year for that one. So anyway, so I picked up this because they have a new like retro set. Love to skate, and this was right up my alley. So I picked those up. Got this one here, Bible with Lilies. This was called Roller Skate. Also picked up this one, Stitch Leaves. Christmas Cardinal. That's really pretty. And it's a nice size too. I don't know, you can kind of tell from that, but it's a nice size. I had been looking at these for a long time, just never picked them up. I thought I would go ahead and grab those. So Stitch Jars. And I've always liked this one. So finally got that coffee and cocoa warm wishes. So that's really nice. This was a great price, so I thought I would go ahead and pick that up, and I can use that house for anything really outside of the little surf shack, but love that. And then I seen this bake shop, and it was a good price too. I don't remember the prices, but they were a good price. But thought that was really cute, and I didn't have any of the little oh, I forgot what you call those things. Those little gummy. I don't know what it is. The little gumdrops. Yes, that's what it's called, gumdrops. So really like that. And look at those little cookies around there. So cute with that rolling pin up top. All right, on to Stamp Anything. This was the best Black Friday deal that I had seen yet. Shipping and handling was awful, but when you divide the amount of items that you got into your total price, it was like you were getting everything for $2. But starting out, this one here, $3, and I really liked how the design team used this, so I picked that up. This one was $3 as well, and I really liked that one. It's so cute, little retro style on that too. This one here was the one that I really liked, and I love how the design team used this, and so really like that. That was $3. All the rest of these items were $1. And so I got Amazing, Friends, So Chic, the Arrows, which has a little retro feel to it too, Far Out, Banners and Tassels, Sunshine. This one's 8-point star, and this was really cute from the design team too. And I love this shape, and this is a shaker actually, retro shape shaker. So, and it's a nice size, $1. And then this one was a great buy. All of this in there, and it's called Star Card Matte Die, and it's a builder set. Love that set. And then I got a couple stencils too. This is like a retro circles. There we go. And that one, and then this one is leaf and acorn builder. So there's two stencils in there, and then the layering stencils. So great find on that one. And I was going back for a third time. I really was. I spent maybe $40 for all of that. That's with the shipping and handling. I mean, that was a great buy. All right, so that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.